Hey again. Hey, you know me. My name's Pat, and we are making RV. Oh, wait a minute. You know, we added to that name. We're now making RV and beach memories. We're beaching it now. Hey, you know, we took just a little bit of a time out from our excursions and our adventures out on the road. After our retirement, traveling around in the old Hillbilly Hilton, slowed down just a little bit. As we continue our series, this is part 3 of our series, Building Our Dream Beach Home. Oh, and Glenna's just cutting up, having a blast here. We're having a blast here. We're in Myrtle Beach, building our dream beach house. And again, this is part 3. So we're going to show you how far we've got along with our build. Now, this is just going to be a home base for us. We're not going to totally stop camping, so we'll still be able to give you some RV tips and some advice and tell you about some of the campgrounds and some of the adventures we've been on camping. But, you know, that we just had always thought about the places we wanted to settle down and make a little bit of a home base camp. And we thought, where else but Myrtle Beach? You know, we've been coming to Myrtle Beach all our life. So one place that we have really loved is right here in Myrtle Beach. We're just taking a little bit of a time out from our travels and riding around with the old Whitey Ford dually. If you haven't seen diesel prices, you'd say, okay, Pat, now we understand. Look right here. Yeah, over $6 a gallon, and I got a 50-gallon tank, and it's, I'd have to take my shoes off to add all that up. That's a big one. So we're just taking a little time out. So again, here's part 3. I'll show you what we've got accomplished so far before the gnats carry me off here. But we're having a blast. You ready? Here we go. Hey, to give you a little bit of recap from part 2, if you saw it, there's the old house that we found. Actually, it's an old mobile home from back in the early 60s. They added in a little bit of an addition to, and we're going to take her to the ground. You saw the demolition we did. So we got it, all of it hauled off and scrapped, and down to the empty bare lot, and we're ready to get some holes dug and get some stilts put in the ground, and we got those put in. You saw in part 2. We got them all ready to get concreted in. It's sort of funny about those stilts. There's 15 of them, and they are 8x8. They are salt treated, and they are strong as steel. The holes the guys dug mostly by hand. They're 3x3 and 4 foot deep. Down at the bottom of the stilts, you can see that's pieces of rebar that they drill and drive through the stilt. So when it's surrounded in concrete, oh man, that baby's not going anywhere. It's going to hold her good and solid, because we got a house we're going to put on top of those stilts. And we go from having all those stilts in the ground, we're ready to put up some walls now. Time for walls, y'alls. You know, all those floor joists we're going to have, those floor joists are sitting on those double rows of 2x12s. They're nailed and bolted together with those 4x6 uprights. All those uprights are bolted both to the 2x12s and to the supports on those 8x8 stilts. And boy, those stilts are super strong. It's all very strong. It's got to be. It's going to hold up a whole house here. The kick-out section you see there, well, that's part of the main bath and the second bedroom closet. They have to put just a little kick-out there. You know, we're limited to only 827 square feet in this little neighborhood. This community has a lot of construction zones there, so they sort of get it set to where it's going to have to be safe and strong. It's sort of neat, and I'm amazed when I look at the underneath of the house. All that construction, you know, it's got to be tied pretty strong together. We're in a hurricane zone here, so the building codes are super strong. So the house has got to be strong enough to hang on to one of those hurricanes. I've never been through one. Being in West Virginia, we never had to worry about a hurricane blowing through. Hey, you want a better view? It's time to meet the neighbors, isn't it? Let's go over and introduce yourself and say, hey, you got that great old big tall deck up there. Man, I bet I could see my house. And hey, my name's Pat and my wife Glenna, and it's good to meet you. Like to see, and you know, they invited us right up. Yeah, and we got a better view of the house. Look at that. There we can see it good from across the street up on their porch. Golly, it looks so much bigger from over here. So looking like a beach house, and that's what we wanted. Looking like a beach house, that's what we wanted. I'm glad the neighbors let us over, and all great neighbors here in this neighborhood. Now we're ready for some walls. All these guys, and they got the walls put up all in one day. We got the best construction crew in the entire county here. South side of the house there you can see, when we're looking, there's the front. That front right window is a bedroom window. There's our entrance door that'll take you right into the living room. The window on the left is a big living room window. And up there's the other living room window, and up under the house, well, it's going to be nice and cool and shady up under there. I'll have a shed up there, but let's look straight up, and you can see the other living room window and a little small kitchen window there. This is on the back side of the house, on the south side. The south side, this will be the second bedroom. Master bedroom will be there, and then there'll be a bathroom right in the center. Yeah, the steps will be on this side that'll come down. Steps, it'll be covered. Steps will come right down on this side here. On the back side, you can see the little protrusion you see sticking out. That's part of the bathroom and the closet for the bedroom there. And not to make you jealous, but one of the windows there in that second bedroom, when the leaves are off the trees behind us, we should have a view of the ocean from there. Nice. That squared off area there will be a 10 by 12 stories building, and I'll get me some shelves and put the shelves all the way up. My hot water heater will be in there, and the plumbing will come down for our filtering system. Here on this side is where I'll build our bar, and the TV will sit on the back side of that storage building. Concrete will go all the way out to the road. Should be able to get several vehicles under here. Golf carts parked over there. It's a little bit exciting, but it's coming along. And this time, the neighbor from right across the street, sweet little old lady, she invited us up so we could get a bird's eye view from the house with the walls up. So now you can get a better look. There's the front door. The left window is our living room. Right window is our bedroom. Oh man, it just looks so much more awesome from high up on the perch from across the street. She was so nice to let us over there. We're going to have good neighbors. We'll split a hot dog with her later sometime. Nice job. Well, it does look great, doesn't it? Yeah, doesn't that look amazing? We sure have been excited being able to show you all this, and we've had a lot of fun going through the build process, even though it's been a real long wait. Hope you enjoyed getting to see, when we put up the stilts and the floor joists and the walls, and I told you what was coming. The trusses are coming, the trusses are coming. Yeah, the trusses are coming. I think I covered that, didn't I? Mm-hmm. But I'll show you the guys, they got our windows put in, they got the wrap on the house. Oh, part 4 is going to be a blast too, so you tune in. We'll try to do one every Sunday and Wednesday, so you can mark your calendar for updates on our dream beach house build here at Myrtle Beach. We sort of hope you tune in for all of them. Man, the comments are coming in, and I do appreciate you guys. Extra new subscribers, still shooting for 1,000 subscribers, almost reaching 400. Thank you. Shooting for 1,000, and we're turtle crawling our way there. So really hope you'll tune in with us there. Again, we sort of hope you'll follow along with us with part 4. Part 5, we're going to go shopping. So we're going to do some shopping up around some of the granite places, and we're going to Lowe's and Home Depot and just all here and there. And Glenna's got all kinds of shopping lists to pick out. She got a lot of things to pick out between the granite. Whoop. You moved. Well, didn't lose you there, did I? Oh, it wasn't an earthquake. My little studio fell over there, so we're there. No band-aids needed, and we're all okay. Where was that? Yeah, still thanking you for following, all the nice comments. It's really neat to know that you've joined our Making RVs and Beach family there and subscribed with us there. Love hearing the comments and reading how you appreciate it all. So keep them coming. I'll answer every comment that you do there. Click that like button right there. Me like it, YouTube like it, we all like the like button. So join in with us there. Whew, got a lot going on, so it's something that we're very blessed with. More than that's here. Blessed to have those too. As me and Glenna will always tell you, tune in for part 4 coming at you. And God bless you, everyone.